Can a variable number of arguments be passed to a function? In a similar way to using varargs in C or C++.
Yes. You can use *args as a non-keyword argument. You will then be able to pass any number of arguments. As you can see, Python will unpack the arguments as a single tuple with all the arguments. For keyword arguments, you need to accept those as a separate actual argument, as shown in Skirmidel's answer.
Adding to Unwind's post. You can send multiple key value args too. And you can mix the two. They must be both declared and called in that order. That is, the function signature needs to be *args, ***, quarks, and called in that order.
Adding to the other excellent posts. Sometimes you don't want to specify the number of arguments and want to use keys for them. The compiler will complain if one argument, passed in a dictionary, is not used in the method. Then you can do things like
the above code will output. This is as good as passing variable arguments by means of a dictionary.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.